Taking the prize. You.
Alright, can you sing it again but with normal voice?
Oh, can you just blow it?
No, just sing it with normal.
One. Go! Today is the 3rd of February 2021 and today is a special day because 27 years ago this beautiful soul decided to bless our earth. On the 3rd of February 1994, Shukria was born. Happy birthday. Hope you're having a blessed day.
Thank you. It's my birthday! Cheers!
Eye contact.
Cheers. Yum. Such a good orange juice.
Did you squeeze this juice?
Yeah, I made it myself. I made all this food. You can see. Move the balloon out of the way. See that?
Let me grab this. And Shukri just asked me for some help, you know, to help her with finishing this food.
Yeah, we're gonna eat all the food. Wa unena. Soda wada. Soda wada.
What was your favorite thing to watch on TV when you were growing up? Shukri?
What did I used to like? I don't know, when I was little, Teletubbies?
Teletubbies?
Yeah.
Oh, Teletubbies.
It was so cute.
You look like a Teletubby.
You're so fat.
What? I said you look
You're
like a
calling me fat.
I said you look like a Teletubby and you're like, you're so fat. It's more this that reminds me.
Calling me fat.
Next question.
Yep.
What do you do for a living? And what are your hobbies?
Oh. Alright. Let me eat this and answer at the same time. Oh, you can answer it first.
Well, first of all, we run a fitness business by the name of Melbourne Group Fitness. We help people get together, help people, you know, get fit, you know, transform their bodies, their mindset, more importantly, their social lives. So, you know, that's what we enjoy. There's a bit of personal training in that. Shukri is doing more PT at the moment. On the side of that, I'm involved in e-commerce sales, basically helping people start and grow online businesses. And yeah, anything that you want to share, Shukri.
When I finish eating.
Well, that's your hobby right there.
Are we talking about hobbies or are we talking about...
Two questions. There's a two-part question.
What?
First question. What do you do for a living?
So, I am a fitness instructor. Dadka para exercise. Waxaa ka shaqeeyaa gym. Naagaha bara exercise. Hadaa Melbourne degan tahay message igu soo dir Instagram. Hadaa rabtid inta exercise ku baro. Exercise naagaha bara. I teach. I run classes, women's fitness classes. So, fitness, health,
and wealth.
I should be eating more strawberries. But today is my birthday, so I get to eat all of this. So yes.
Yeah. So hobbies, eating, and
what's my hobby?
Eating. What's your hobby?
Hiking, nature.
Nature. Yes.
The beach. Just going to the beach.
Yes. Yes.
Where did you go?
Now look.
Where is Han?
You sound like when you say, "Where's Opie?"
Can you see me?
Where's Opie?
Can you see me?
Look through the camera.
Can you see me? Okay.
We didn't finish the question.
What was the question?
Okay. What else are your hobbies?
What else?
Hiking.
Hiking.
What are some cool things that you've done that you really enjoyed? You know, maybe it was a one-off. You know.
I like taekwondo.
Taekwondo. How could we forget taekwondo?
I love kicking. I love kicking. Kicking Han, kicking everything.
Every time we go to taekwondo and we train, the amount of times Shukri has just kicked too low below the belt and hit me in those parts that just like knock you out. You know, you just like your whole body feels sick, if you know what I mean. So yeah, like if you ever do taekwondo with Shukri, just make sure you protect yourself, if you get me.
So Mantam Hawaii Wednesday, today's Wednesday. Like in beri tambo iyo weekend ko dan yawai birthday yawai. So we got done birthday yawai. Like you know, it's my birthday this whole week, you know?
More like a month, as soon as it's got to say, oh, it's my birth month, it's my birth month.
It's my birth month,
Shukri doesn't
yeah.
celebrate a birthday. She took it too far, like, you know, some Muslims don't even celebrate birthdays and she goes ahead and celebrates a whole month.
Hoy din hela de astaghfirullah birthday ga gamia. Bishadan sto birthday ga go hani kara. She's like, how can the whole month be your birthday? That's just ridiculous. If your birthday is in this month, let me know. Leave a comment, let us know if it's your birthday this month, February. If you're born in February. Cheers. Do you want to get the other one? Is it ding ding? This one has, I think it's custard cream and chocolate on the other side.
It's like black and yellow, black and yellow, black
Ding,
and yellow,
ding.
black and yellow.
Let's go. Cheers.
Yeah.
Very crumbly. Mahakuchiro chocolate iyo custard. Very nice.
So, other hobbies? I like going snowboarding. Went wakeboarding once, that was a lot of fun. Grew up skateboarding for like 6 years of life. You know, traveling all around Melbourne as a kid, high school, exploring different places, and you know, throwing myself off rooftops and downstairs and rails and all that. Good fun, broken bones, and good experiences, good friends. What else? What else do you like to do? Oh, I've got one. I know what hobby that Shukri loves. She just loves it. Maybe one day she'll share it with you. Shukri loves singing. Yes? So, if you want to hear Shukri sing, leave a comment below. Deal? And if we get, let's say, 100 likes on that comment, then Shukri is gonna come out here on YouTube and sing a song for you guys. Just for you guys.
Where did you get that idea from?
It's good to think on the spot, you know? Also, Shukri loves stand-up comedy. Not just watching it, but sometimes performing. In the privacy of her own home, of course.
I like it.
And Shukri likes to play soccer.
That's true. I don't know about the other ones, but that's true.
What do you mean the other one?
They're the things he said.
Oh. Alright.
I love soccer.
Oh!
Ding, ding, ding,
Ding 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 ding. So, what makes a birthday girl special? Well, when we first met, I realized very early on that you were into alternative type of things, such as reading books by the Dalai Lama, getting told off by Hoyo because you were reading books by the Dalai Lama, meditating.
I was meditating one time, yeah.
With crystals, and getting told off by stop praying to rocks, right?
I was meditating in my room, and I had the door closed and I was facing the window, and then I had like rocks by the window, and I was sitting there and I was like meditating, and then Mom was like, she came in the room and she was like, why are you praying to rocks? And I was like, I am not praying to rocks, I'm just meditating. Anyway, she was like, but to go pray. instead of sitting here meditating, praying to rocks. But that's a Somali mom for you. So I do love rocks, collecting rocks, even if they're not crystals. They're still
She likes
beautiful.
collecting rocks from the beach.
Yeah.
And
rocks
shells,
and shells.
seashells. She sells seashells by the seashore. You say that real quick.
She sells seashell by the seashore.
You said seashell. Say seashells.
That's what I said.
She sells seashells by the seashore. Say that.
She sells seashells by the seashore.
All right. One more time.
She sells seashells by the seashore.
Okay.
Ah. Aww.
Happy birthday. There's
you
only
need-
two of us, so we've got to sing it together.
Okay, let me
Happy
come in a little bit. Come in a
birthday
little
to you. Happy birthday
bit. Wait.
to you.
Say that again.
What? Say
Sing
the whole
it
thing
again.
What
yeah,
do you mean?
I want to hear it again.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shukri. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, can you sing it again but with normal voice?
Oh, can you just blow it?
No, just sing it with normal.
That is not normal
But the
voice.
hat.
Okay. For the third time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shukria. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish.
Whee!
Oh. Hope you just sneezed. You're lucky.
Achoo.
I was about to blow
Okay.
the candle out the amount of time how long you took.
I think after COVID, you're not supposed to be blowing candles.
Okay. So what do? Just pinch the flame.
So, thank you for watching. Until I see it, we're just gonna continue eating this.
Cake in the face. Take a bite.
No! My juice!
Well, that was accidental. You got some chocolate here.
Oh wow! Party is over.
Okay.
Party is over.
And we'll see you guys soon.
We make these videos for you guys. We want to share more with you guys. If you are very active, you help us stay motivated and inspired every day to make more videos. So we appreciate you being active and commenting and liking and viewing our videos. Thank you so much.
Now, we never say this, but that subscribe button, what you need to do right now is hit that subscribe button, the notification, that little bell icon, hit that too, so the next time that Shukri posts her hard work onto there, you'll get notified. And you'll see us again. Eating.
I'm gonna end this whole thing.
Alright, enjoy. Ibasha.